dami chicken here. Oh my. Hello, Ethan. Guys, say hi. We're gonna go to Hong Kong for the weekend to de-stress and eat. Ang target natin this trip would be food trip. Pero more on desserts daw. Yan ang sabi. Pero let's see na lang. We're here sa second floor of the bus and here's Daddy. Where is he going? Okay, so our mode of transportation from the airport to the city is via the City Flyer bus. Yung fares nito is less than half of mga trains and mga taxi. So that's why ito yung to-try natin for today. Before, we used to ride the Airport Express. That's okay. Mabilis siya. So, less than 30 minutes nasa city ka na. Pero, hindi pa siya yung exact location na gusto namin. Like, oh my God! Ang init! So, summer na summer. Kahit na ang daming buildings. Sobrang init. Ngayon, it's June. End of June. So, pag July, mas mainit pa. Oh my God. So, ngayon, we're gonna go sa hotel, check in, and then gonna have lunch. Hello, Sir Dale! Hi everyone! Welcome to our room. So come on in and let's see how the room looks like. Honestly, lagi kami dito nagsastay, pero I don't know, for some reason ngayon, ang liit ng kwarto. Come. Dalawa lang ang bed. Yan na yon. And ito, at saka dati, di ba yung kwarto natin is yung bagong renovate. Ito parang hindi pa masyadong hindi pa to renovated eh. Tapos yung CR, maliit lang red. It's the usual Holiday Inn Golden Mile room. Can they see it? And then it's a bathtub over here. Wala kaming connecting room for this trip kasi puno daw. So, yun lang naman. Sige, we're just gonna unpack and settle. And we're gonna go out again later. Bye-bye. Out and about. What the heck? He was like... Okay, this is where we're gonna have lunch today. Kasi they want to eat chicken. Meron silang specific chicken hinahanap na dito meron. So, let's go in. Oh my God, guys. Sobrang init. Buti na lang here. There's aircon. Hey there.
Diyan tayo last time.
Yeah, there. Okay, ito yung gusto nila, yung chicken na to. It's super anghang. And then, this and this. Pero hindi pa done. Meron pa tayong coming orders. Perfect for the hot weather. Cheers. We ordered a set menu for 4. Tapos, you can choose if you want noodles or rice. Plain rice. So, we got noodles. And then, kasama yung gulay, no? Okay, so if you want smoked roast goose, you have to try this resto. Ayan, no? Second order na namin yan. Half ito. Yung kanina, 1/4, di ba? And then this one, if curious kayo, since ito yung pinunta nila here, itong chicken, this is called the hand-pulled chicken. It's manghang. According to my mom, it's very spicy, pero tolerable naman. Did you enjoy your first lunch?
Yeah.
Which one's the best dish? Which one? What? Okay, next stop for today, K11 Musea. There's mommy waiting for me. Okay, this is where we will be having dinner. It's in K11 Musea Mall. Okay, first is fish. Pina-separate nila yung... Oh, yan daw, yan. Drunken chicken. And this one is... So, it's like Peking duck, pero it's lamb. The 9. Baka pwede close nyo muna. Oh, mine na lang. Thanks. Dale, what's your fave? Oh my God, so snuff. And the fish. Yeah, the fish is really good. Actually, sabihin na lang namin ano yung mid. Yung Peking duck, normal lang. And then, meron kaming wonton soup. Yung kanina nandyan, normal lang din. So, per the rest, it's really good naman. Highly recommended. Look, sobrang daming Jellycat. Saan dito yung rare? This one? Reindeer? Oh, look at that. Masyado maliit eh. Saan mo lalagay yan? Pangit, pangit. More Jellycats. This one's really nice. It's a cloud. Actually, nice din to. Okay, quick outfit check for the day. Itong eco bag, sobrang useful. Oh. Galing pa to ng Bangkok. Free lang to galing sa isang restaurant. Pero, yun yung lagayan ko ng camera. Then, yan o. OMG. That's crowded. We're gonna have brunch here at Sai Ying-kun. This place is known for cafes. Marami ditong mga maliliit na cafe. Pero wala pa ako na. This is so old style. Full of locals. Ito yung special, oh. May ganyan, tulak-tulak. So, pwede kayo pumili if anong gusto nyo kainin. Oh, grabe, puro locals talaga, guys. In Hong Kong, this is normal, na makikiupo ka sa table ng iba. So, we're gonna sit with 2 angkongs. Yan, oh, daddy's gonna choose na if what you want to eat. There, you choose from there. Oh, dami na order. Tapos meron kaming 2 audience habang kumakain.
Ano yan?
Okay. Let's go. Oh, ako una. Selfie. Just basking under the sun. Lakad-lakad here at Central. Wala talaga kaming itinerary, guys. So it's just gonna be a food trip. Right now, we're on the way to Yat Block. We're gonna have light lunch. Kasi busog pa kami from breakfast. Ano ba naman to? Let's go now. It's nearby now. We're finally here. Let's go. Hindi masyado marami ang tao today. Wow, buti meron tayong extra seat. Dito ako upo sa dulo. Ito masarap, this one. Ito's average. Then this one, of course, very, very yummy. Okay, we have another one. If you want a more complicated taste of roast goose, then you have to try yung kanina na restaurant. Kahapon rather, na restaurant, yung Quezon. Pero if you want yung normal lang, regular taste, then okay na here. We're going to Benchy for some... Sa ano na to, yung part na to ng... Buying gelato, best if yung lagayan nila ganyan, yung flat, yung hindi nyo nakikita the gelato. Then, if ganun, better yung quality. Kasi if yung parang mountain, marami na yun mga additives. Thank you. Having dinner at Ichiran. Request yan ni Dale. Kasi matagal na daw siya hindi nakakakain there. Wow!
Okay, mami, na yan kung ano.
Last time ko kumain ito, siguro 2017. Sobrang tagal na. Anyway, let's try the soup first. Ganyan pa rin lasa. I mean, ito pa rin yung naaalala kong taste niya. 13 na siya. Thank you. Got it. Wow! Picture, 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 Dale! Good morning, sisters. I mean, brothers. We're gonna go to Causeway Bay. Wala na kasi kayong napuntahan. That's why we go to Causeway Bay. And just walk and look around. We're gonna have brunch or breakfast. Medyo brunch. Meet Sydney. Say hello.
Hello.
She's having beef noodle.
Yeah, beef chunk.
And I'm having tomato udon. Hello guys!
Hello.
Saan tayo punta?
Tatawid tayo.
And then we're going to where? Let's go na lang sa hotel.
Sige, sige.
Oh, kasi if pumunta dyan, wala naman gagawin. We're supposed to do shopping. Medyo. Pero wala nang time. So later. Yes. Yes. Hello guys. So I'm walking by myself. Hindi ko alam saan ako pupunta. My God, ang daming tao. Look. There, oh. Where am I going nga ba? I want to try that. He, she, eat. Yan. Uso yan. So I want to try that. Pero it's like soft serve na merong croissant. I don't know if mauubos ko ba yan. My God, it's so hot. I'm gonna have some tea first dito sa... What is this again? Haiti ba? And then Mr. T. It's just right across Sogo. So this is the oolong tea with super fresh fruit. Bro, it's so good. So refreshing. Okay, so we're currently having snack. In short, a break from all the shopping. So we're currently here at Cafe de Coral. Dale is having, wow, marami yan na. May chicken na. May noodle. Wow. Ito akin, small lang. And Daddy is having a toast. And of course, some milk tea. Hello, we're back here. Of course, if you've been watching my vlogs, ito ang favorite ko, diba, na photo spot. Pero today, we're gonna try dito naman sa area na to. And let's see how it will turn out. This hour, hindi na ganun kainit. My God, kanina as in super mega hot. So we're gonna go out for dinner. My God, I haven't been vlogging a lot recently. So hindi na ako sanay ba na mag-vlog. Like, pansin nyo ba? Itong travel vlog, di ba tahimik ako? Hindi ganun kadaldal. Anyway, somewhere far, dinner place namin. Okay, our service is here. Di ba service? Let's go. Okay, we're gonna have dinner here. We have beef bun over here and then mutton ba ito? Soup over there. This is the lamb and then jellyfish. Ang best lang dito is the lamb and the tripe. And then, yung soup, ganyan, hindi masarap. Lasang lutong bahay, tas lasang puro black pepper lang. And the rest is just average. Hindi rin naman sobrang layo the restaurant. Basta mag-taxi na lang kayo. Kami nag-taxi. Guys, look at this. It's a giant peanut. Over there. Can you see? There are many local delicacies over here. Oh, may matsang, oh. Yeah, that's called matsang. Anyway, yan lang. We're just waiting for our service here and we're gonna go back to the hotel. Our service is here. Inaayos na yung chair sa likod. Time to check out. So this is my outfit. Airport outfit. Sasabihin ko sana office outfit. Anyway, airport outfit from Pink Lemonwear on IG. This is a skirt. And then ito, super nipis lang na jacket. Na obviously perfect siya for the hot weather. Actually, it's not like, parang mas manipis pa nga sa tissue eh. Ganun ang peg. So yeah, that's my outfit. So this wraps up our Hong Kong food trip. I hope you enjoyed, and of course don't forget to like, comment, and share and subscribe, and I will see you in our next travel vlog. Bye bye.